guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, I know it's been a minute, I'm sorry guys, but today I'm going to show you guys a really quick video on how to fix a ripped lace wig. So all you'll be needing for this tutorial is a needle, a transparent thread, and a pair of scissors. That is all you need for this. So right now we'll just get into it. First of all, you take a reasonable amount of thread and pass that through the eye of the needle, and you go ahead and knot it. So I find out that most people have to deal with this issue of ripped lace, and then you take it to the salon and they use a black thread to fix it. I've had that experience before and I didn't really like how it came out, so I looked it up and I found a better way to fix it. So now when you've threaded your needle, you go ahead and knot it, and any excess left, you use a pair of scissors and cut. So now this is ready and we'll go in and start our sewing. You need to make sure that the lace is clean and there's no hair sticking out that would cause any kind of disruptions when you start sewing. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here, and then we start sewing. So just like you do your regular stitch, you just go ahead and stitch it, but make sure that you don't take up too much lace so that you don't end up squeezing the lace and shifting the pattern on the frontal or lace closure. So now all I'm just doing, okay, I'm knotting my first stitch to make sure the stitch is secure. You don't want it losing after you're done stitching. And then I'm just going to go ahead and do the regular basic stitch on it. Now I'm done with the first tier, and I'm going to knot it to make sure it is secure. I knot it 3 times, at least 3 times, to make sure that stitch is snug and tight. And then any excesses, you pick up your scissors and you snip that out. And that's it for the first part. So you can see the thread, because we're using a transparent thread, it is transparent, and if you're looking at it from inside, you're still not going to see it just because it's transparent. If you want to go the extra mile, you can use your powder or your foundation and brush over it, so it's going to conceal it perfectly. So now I'm trying to find where the stitch is inside the closure, and to be honest, I had a hard time finding it. Okay, so there it is. So that's the part that was stitched. If you see what I mean, it's actually very difficult to see, especially if you now apply a foundation or a powder. It conceals it perfectly. You're not going to see anything. And we'll move over to the front rib and do exactly the same thing that we did on the other stitch. So now I'm done, and that's what it looks like. And I'm going to flip it over so you can see what that also looks like. So that's the stitch in the middle. So that's it guys, this is it. So it's very transparent and you can barely see it, and that's how to fix your ripped lace. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Bye.